come with us to go to Anakeesta. So they didn't really ask the two questions. They didn't ask the two questions, but they were still super accommodating. I personally didn't have any issues with the Anakeesta employees. Now, while I didn't have any problems with the employees, I did have several issues with the guests at Anakeesta, one of which was a child kicking my dog's foot, like how I am doing in the video. And when I turned around and corrected them, the parents got mad at me. So, there's that. So we got on the glass gondolas, and there's a clip back a little further that showed us getting on. And they offered to slow it down. We didn't need to because I knew we could do it since we did it in Disney. And so we didn't, but that is an option if you need to. And the employees were super, they like asked me like 3 or 4 times, are you sure you don't need it? And we were good.
I should have worn my ankle brace.
Yeah, I should have worn my knee brace.
We even did a little swinging rope bridge, which Weller was not fazed at all by. And I even like was jumping on it a little bit, like not a whole lot because you're not supposed to jump on them, but just make it move a little bit, and he wasn't really fazed.
Send this video to
He
Laura.
just kept walking. And while we were there, we even got to see a bear. It was like a little baby bear, like maybe not a baby, but like a juvenile, like little. Like he wasn't a full-grown bear. And it was really fun. We got to see him, and then Weller, I don't know if Weller saw him, but there's a clip in here. Yeah, here it is. He definitely knew something was down there. But it was really fun. Especially because my roommate has been here, I think, over a year at this point when this video was filmed.
Mom, there's an
About 2 years. And had never seen a bear, and so
yeah, we're good.
she got to see her first bear. And it was really fun. Because it was really cool because you were up in the trees and you got to see a bear.
And are you so good at life? Oh, there is a log that we have to balance on. That's fine.
Next to it.
Yeah, you're so right. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to desensitize my dog. He's working late, cause he's a puppy. But I'm on Denver. Pebbles, you're supposed to step down. Get down in it. Get in it.
Why would we do that when we can go on top of it?
I mean, alright.
He's like,
Ooh, we can't do this at all.
He can try.
You're all good.
Yeah, I know you need help. Can't raise your hand. Let's try.
I don't think we can do much else.
He can be
Unless Pibbles wants to try. Come on, figure it out. Active problem solving. Good! good advocating.
Oh, good. He's a good boy. Have a good night.